Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today. All the videos of GK Today are absolutely free and available on GK Today's YouTube channel. And if you are looking for interactive quizzes in text and also their solutions, then please download the GK Today's Academy Android app. We have several free and paid courses in that app. And also I would like to recommend you that if you are preparing for UPSC Prelims Examination 2021 and 2022, then we have a daily current affairs quiz series in Academy app. You may subscribe to that series if you find it good. In that quiz, we provide daily 10 questions especially crafted for the UPSC preliminary examination, and we try to connect each current affairs event with some fundamental knowledge in a static general studies topic. We hope you will find it very useful. And this particular series is of 95 videos, and in each video we are going to discuss about 10 to 15 questions. So now let's begin with the questions on world geography.
So the first question is, what are landforms formed from the dissolution of soluble rocks called? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option D, that is karst landforms. See, karst landforms are landforms formed by the dissolution of soluble rocks like limestone, dolomite and gypsum. Now the next question is, in which rocks does most of the formation of caves takes place? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is limestone. See, caves are formed due to weathering of rock deep underground, and caves is a natural void and is a space large enough so that a human can enter, and the study of the formation and development of caves is also called as speleogenesis. Further, the most of the formation of caves takes place in limestone rocks by dissolution. Now the next question is, what are secondary mineral deposits formed in caves called? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is speleothems. See, as discussed that caves are formed due to weathering of rock deep underground, and the study of the formation and development of caves is called speleogenesis. The secondary mineral deposits formed in the caves are called speleothems, and these include flowstones, stalagmites and stalactites, etc. Now the next question is, which caves are formed along the coast of the world? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is littoral caves. See, the caves formed along the coast of the world are called as littoral caves or sea caves. Now the next question is, what kind of landform is Phoeba? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is karst landforms. See, Phoeba is a type of a deep natural sinkhole or sink, and it is a collapsed portion of a bedrock above a void, and the term Phoeba means pit. Now the next question is, what are window-like features in the karst landscapes? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is karst fenster. See, karst fenster is formed due to dissolution of carbonate rocks, and the word fenster in German means window. So these features are windows into the karst landscape. Now the next question is, which among the following statement is not correct about mogotes? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is a group of mogotes is called a pediplane. See, a mogote is an isolated steep-sided residual hill which is composed of either limestone, dolomite or marble, and they have rounded a tower-like form, and a group of mogotes along a ridge are called pepinoes. Now the next question is, what are large flat plains found in karst regions called? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is polj. See, polj or you can say polje, also called as karst fields or karst polj, are large flat plains found in karst regions, and the word polj means field, and they are flat floored depressions within karst limestone. Now the next question is, which among the following landforms are also called as karst fields? And the correct answer is option A, that is polj. See, as discussed earlier, polj are also called as karst fields or karst polj. Basically, are large flat plains that are found in karst regions. And the word itself, polj, means field. So they are flat floored depressions within karst limestones. Now the next question is, in which areas are Turlough lakes found? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is limestone. C. Turlough or Turlough is a type of disappearing lake found in limestone areas, and the word tur in Turlough means dry. So these landforms are found in Irish karst areas.
Thank you so much. So this was all for today's video. So please do provide your feedback in our comment section. And stay tuned for the more upcoming videos. Thank you.